Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a short and sweet crochet moccasin tutorial. The yarn is a size 6 and I will also be using a size K or 6.5mm hook. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first you're going to make a slip knot and chain 8, and now you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and then double crochet the next chain and then repeat this process across. So single crochet, single crochet, etc. You can also check out this pattern on my blog, which is also linked below. So now you're going to repeat this pattern until the piece is the same length as your foot. And at this point we're going to start making the sides of the moccasin. And you're going to chain 2 and then double crochet all around the perimeter of the sole. Now that we reach the beginning again, you're going to slip stitch to this first double crochet and then chain 2, and this chain 2 actually counts as your first double crochet. So now you're going to double crochet around starting in the second chain, but then stop 5 stitches before the beginning. So in these 5 remaining stitches, we're just going to single crochet across. We are not going to slip stitch to the beginning like we just did in the previous round. What we'll do is chain 2 and turn our work. Now you're going to work across these 5 stitches in a double crochet for 4 rows, or however long you need for this to cover the top of your foot so that when you're wearing it, your foot doesn't fall out of the moccasin. Okay, so now we're going to attach this top piece to the rest of the shoe, and we're going to line up the edges as if we're sewing up a side seam, and we're going to single crochet across in a U shape. So now we're going to make a little flap that folds over the top, and you're going to chain 3 and treble crochet across the 5 stitches. Now we can bind off and cut the yarn. And I'm just going to tuck the little piece in here and cut some more yarn to make a bow to hold the top flap down. And there you go, a super cute pair of moccasins. And I think these took me about 2 hours total, and I used less than 1 ball of yarn. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, and I want you guys to tell me down below in the comment section what you want to win for the prize. I'll see you guys in a few weeks with my February bullet journal spread. Bye!